There are routers, and then there is the Netgear N900 wireless dual-band gigabit router, the ultimate in Wi-Fi performance and range. Fast, reliable, and secure, the Netgear WNDR 4500 is the ultimate router to create a powerful home network. The Netgear WNDR 4500 with new N900 wireless provides scorching 450 plus 450 megabits per second speed. With simultaneous dual-band technology, your Wi-Fi will avoid interference and you'll experience faster wireless networking than ever before. The WNDR 4500 delivers the ultimate home network experience for applications such as streaming 3D HD video and multiplayer gaming. This Wi-Fi router delivers the best range for larger homes and allows you to take your laptop, iPad, or smartphone anywhere in your home. The WNDR 4500 dual-band gigabit router comes with 4 gigabit Ethernet ports for ultra-fast wired connections. The 2 additional USB ports allow you to connect to external hard drives and printers to quickly and easily share content among all the PCs in your home with improved USB access speeds. Netgear Genie allows you to manage, monitor, and repair your home network with an easy-to-use interface. Installation is incredibly easy, even from an iPad, smartphone, or PC or Mac. Enjoy the ultimate performance from Netgear. Buy the N900 wireless dual-band gigabit router for the best Wi-Fi performance. Netgear. Connect with innovation.